Hi, everybody. My name is Mr. Brown. I teach clarinet at Crosby Middle School and Owen Music. And today we're looking at the All County 8th grade band music, and this is the unison side and specifically the clarinet part. Uh, so, taking a look at this, just a few pointers before I give a demo. The third measure is probably going to be most difficult for some of you, and this is just a straight chromatic scale. So if you know your chromatic scale, then you can play the third measure just fine. The only note fingering wise that is not typical in that third measure is that F sharp. You want to play that with the alternate F sharp fingering, and that is just like F, but you're going to add the sliver key right beneath the second hole in the bottom joint of your clarinet. It's very similar to the alternate B natural, but with the register key. And so you want to play that F sharp with that fingering. Okay. And then taking a look at the dynamics here. You start off mezzo forte, so you want a nice full sound to start off, and then it's going to immediately drop to piano there in the fifth measure. Okay. And there's no crescendo or decrescendo anywhere from measure 5 to measure 8. This is all piano. And then you have another sudden dynamic change back to mezzo forte. And then the only gradual change you have is this crescendo in the first measure of the third line. And then go up to forte. And then again, immediately dropping down to piano for the last four measures of the exercise.